Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So this is for your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to simply type this command as subc /scan now. It's sfc /scan now, hit enter. Now, what this scan will do is that this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So, what this will do is that you just have to simply let the process or wait for the process to be completed. Do not interrupt the process. You can just simply minimize this but do not close the window. And once this is completed here, like it goes up to 100%, then you just need to simply close out of here. Then in the Windows search bar again, type CMD. Then you have to click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then here simply type this command DISM /online /clean up -image /restore health. It's DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Hit enter. Now, this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. There is no specific duration for this process as this will repair your Windows image. So what you can do is that you just need to wait for this process to be fully completed like the SFC scan. And here is a tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, because there are some users that says they are getting stuck at this percentage and they don't know what to do, I can suggest that just continuously press the space key on your keyboard until the process will continue. And once it continues, then you just need to simply wait for that to be completed and then close out of here. And finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, you have to click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find recovery. Here you'll find reset this PC. Click on reset PC. So before you can go on with this process, make sure to back up everything. Your personal files, apps, and settings, all the data on your Windows. You need to back up all of that. Then you have to click on remove everything. Then you have to click on cloud download. Again, you have to back up everything on your Windows. So once you click on cloud download, your PC will be restarted and your PC will reset. And then after that, you need to sign in again into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.